Look right here, we got Richard Lombardi in the Renegade. Rowdy Jeep. Cut tires on the front, paddle tires on the back, ladies and gentlemen. I know for a fact, off a straight launch, this will tote the front tires, so I don't know it. I'm not sure what it's going to do with the big tire pulling it, but I do know off a straight launch, sitting still, if he gooses it, it will pick up the front tires. Rowdy Jeep right here. All AMC too. It's an AMC block. He is true to the brand. Keeping it to the brand right here. About to do work, baby. All right, here we go. Richard Lombardi in the Renegade. All right. Getting the steering wheel locked in, ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Come on with it, baby. Do work, man. Come on. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Check this thing out. You know what? Popped a tire off the front already. Dang!
I don't think he's ready for that.
Yeah, Willie like Twitty, that's right. It's little Twitty. That Jeep is awesome. He's got paddles on the back, cuts in the front. All right, that's fair.